Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, the top girl Shaneil Muir is back in action, right? She take a little breeze off of the internet. You know what I mean? She just post on her stories. She didn't really go live or so, but now she back in action. And guess what? Again, people are sang a trend. You see me? So you know say hype and bossy a trend people. The song bad it bad. And she a go sing it for it today. When you don't know that go already, right? But before that, though, people may have another tune. You see me? I say me catch this like in the middle, but she a char fire people. You know what the top girl do her thing. You see me? So I want to take a listen to that song. You hear me? I say, it's for the people them where you can't trust. You see me? The fake friends them. You know how it go. Listen this. Here goes.
I don't respond. Some ship quick for sink like quicksand. Can't sail them a anchor you. Friend you up just fi conquer you. Trust them. Me say me can't trust friend again. Me no find them friendship irrelevant. Rather me turn on me yard, put energy on pause and protect me element. Me a tell them me not trust them. I can't trust friend again. Don't do it them friend they no relevant. Rather me turn on me yard, them quick fi sell your out phone card you hot up. Secret and a secret if you tell somebody. No girl can't chat, me I come tell me sorry. Cause you know what you are doing, you are doing. Me never get you enough because speak. Some people don't know for all composure. See the liquor bus and they want exposure. My mind grow wiser as my brain grow older. Learn to stand firm and I lean pon shoulder. Me not trust them. Me say you can't trust friend again. Me not find them friendship irrelevant. Rather me turn on me yard, put energy pon pause and protect me. And me I tell them me not trust them. I can't trust friend again. Don't do it them friend they no relevant. Rather me turn on me yard, them quick fi sell a out phone card. Fake like a fashion jewelry. Me no farm fool so them can't fool me. One girl me trust and that's yours truly. Because the same mouth fi step where with boomy. Love her from a distance, yeah. From a negative, me don't respond. Some ship quick fi sink like quicksand. Can't sail them a anchor you. Friend you up just fi conquer you, trust them. Me say me can't trust friend again. But not find them friendship irrelevant. Rather me turn on me yard, put energy on pause and protect me element. Me I tell them me not trust them. Me can't trust.
You are going and I don't know so the top girl super talented, you see me? So next we are gonna go to the big bad tune. We are on a place where burn up road, a burn up street. Everywhere you saw me, I said the most anticipated song of the year, Shaneil Muir, Hype and Bossy. You see me? And she has sing this all the way through phone, you see me? So I'm going to play that one here so you can enjoy it. So here goes. Take a listen.
If your bed don't got no bed, baby girl, you want sleep on table. And if you still want come back, go and sit, cause your life unstable. Me no take chat from no boy. I me no take chat from no girl neither. But never get a box from no boy. Me bad for real, so no watch media. Coming hype and bossy. I know for them broke like dog and I move like Joel and Tories. Joel and Tories. Show me the hype and bossy. Me a feel up my God. Cause no for them fake and me notice. No for them fake and me notice. A long time me no like mix up. Nah discuss nobody me no live so. And if I get fishy break me we chuck off the face. Me a real top girl me no wrist up. And anything who no chat about me, make sure who no mention say me bricks up. Because me rather be a girl when I mash up the place and I sit down in a handbag and mix up. Show me no hype and bossy. I know for them broke like dog and I move like Joel and Tories. OMC, yeah. Showing a hype and bossy. Me a feel up my God, cause no for them fake and me notice. No for them fake and me notice, yeah. Them don't like me, but me still I eat, still I sleep good in the bed, my money buy. Make a girl try me. Show my smile, them face, them nice, them I know, say me grimy. Me no take chat from no boy. And me no take chat from no girl neither. But never get a box from no boy. Me bad for real, no watch the media. Coming on hype and bossy.
You don't know the thing, go. She did just step on her live and she will a vibe with the fan them and she a tell them say, you know, she a go there in a Tartola, right? And that is the British Virgin Island. I think, correct me down in the comment section if you don't know better, right? And she also going to be in Toronto soon. So the people in Canada want to look out for the top girl. You see what I say? But people, she sing a song where just touching to the heart. Me never know that she still have it. Remember, we know that she good and she versatile like that. But we are get exclusive, we are get type on bossy. You know what I mean? We just get some other song. A long time we don't get one of them song here. And people, me are telling you, that song give you goose pimples when you listen to it. You see me, I said that song have feeling, that song have emotion. She say a story time. That song sound like a true story. Me can't confirm because she never said true story, but she says story time. You see me? But people more want to listen to that one here because me are telling you, it's a right way of end the video. You see me? This is the last tune. More want to listen because that song me are telling you people. Take a listen. Here goes.
Story time. Yeah. Met this girl the other day on my way to my bay. Driving from Kingston. From your look, you coulda see she not have it. She say, beg you something, no, in my wallet. Please beg you something fi help me, daughter. Light just cut off and me don't have no water. Last week police killed me baby father. If I even for sweep your yard, I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. I know this is not your concern. Me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20, I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. I know this is not your concern. Me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20. So the lady beg and plead for my assistance. Tell her the truth, me only have about 6 grand. Right now I feel it to my soul. The money when me have I just for gas and the toll. Oh, I start to lose I water. Just when me feel it no worse than this. She said miss me would I prefer in a earth than this. Not even the pastor, not the church can fix. I tell you I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. But know this is not your concern. Me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20, I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. But know this is not your concern. Me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20, I start to tear down my carefully, could change for she have it. Before me done the lady disappearing out the traffic, me decide to me really have to find her. Because the story where she tell me I tell her saying tragic. Park my car under the tree where some youth a sell jelly. Ask them if them see a lady with a 9-month belly, with a child by her side and a child on her hip. Me beg them please can you beg you tell me quick. Them say you must be joking, you can't be serious. Them start look on each other mysterious. The lady that you're asking for died last year, she got hit by a car. And I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. But know this is not your concern. Oh me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20, I don't know where to go, don't know where to turn. But know this is not your concern. Me I beg you please just help me. If it's even a 10 or a 20. Met this girl the other day on my way to my bay. Driving from Kingston. From your look you coulda say she no have it. She say beg you something, no, in my wallet. Please beg you something fi help me daughter. I just cut off and me don't have no water. Last week police killed me baby father. If I even for sweep your yard. Good night everybody. I wanna wish you all a prosperous season. Merry Christmas when it comes.